So in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a YouTube channel banner using your iPhone. So this is the banner that I'm gonna teach you guys how to create. A simple, basic banner. So before you move past this part of the video, you might wanna pause it. I need you to download Fonto. I need you to download Google Chrome. Okay, so first thing you guys want to do is go to Safari or either Google Chrome and type in YouTube template size. Go to images, and then you want to select the one that says 1546 by 423. And then from there you want to save it. So now that should be in your phone. So the next thing you want to do is go back into Safari and go to Google. Type in, so the background we're using is a black background. So type in black background. And then you find a background that is purely black, like simply black, no anything. Save that to your phone. And I want you to open up Pronto. First thing you want to do is tap the screen. You want to select photo album. And then you want to go to recent. You want to get the YouTube template. So tap that. Then you want to select done. Now it's on the screen. You want to go back to select the 3 buttons. You want to add an item. Hit recent. And then you want to hit the black background. Hit done. And then you want to adjust the size and width and height by tapping the screen. Tapping the picture, and you'll hit size, and you can adjust it. So change the width, make sure it fits all the way across, make sure all the black is in the space where that little banner is supposed to go, and just keep adjusting it until you can make sure that it's right. There we go. Just play with it a little bit longer. Adjust it a little bit more. Stretch it out a little bit more. Adjust the height. Okay, so now you want to tap the screen. You want to hit add text. You want to type in whatever your name is going to be. So mine's Extrramayo. So I'm going to type in EXTRRAMAYO. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And then from there, I want to use the one that's highlighted in orange. So that's the graphic I want to use. It's the type of style of words I want to use. So that's under text. And if you want to adjust the color, you want to hit style. You can just adjust the strokes, change the color. From here, we're going to change the text to neon green because that's the color that I created mine's out of. So we're gonna go back to text, change it to neon green, and then we're gonna go over to stroke because I want my outline to be blue. So we're gonna go down to that 3rd line and push the line all the way to the end. And then once you're there, you're going to save this to your phone. Okay, so from there you want to select Google Chrome. You want to type in YouTube in the search bar. And then from there you want to go ahead and log into your YouTube account. And then from there you want to select the 3 dots at the bottom and select the desktop version. And once you're there, you should see this screen. Go down to your videos, your YouTube channel. Go to the top, select banner. And then you go to recent. And voila. Select the banner you just created. And there you have it. It is now your new banner. Let me know if this video helped you guys out in any way, like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed.